Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a video from Facebook. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're in Facebook, open up the video that you want to download. I'm going to go for, let's say, this reel right here. Now after you've opened up that video, click on the share button right here, and in here click on copy link. After the link has been copied, come to home, open up Google and type in here Snap Save FB. So this is the website snapsave.app. Go to the website, and in this bar right here, just simply paste in the copied link. After you paste in the link, click on download, and it will give you two options, 720p and 360p, and you can download the one that you want. So that is how you can download Facebook videos.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a video from Facebook. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're at Facebook, you will have to play the video that you want to download. Now after that video is playing, click on these three dots at the top right corner right here, and in here click on copy link. Now after the link has been copied, open up a new tab, and in here type in Snap Save. Hit enter. This is the website snapsave.app, Facebook video downloader. Click on it. Now in here, paste in that copied link and click on download. After that, it will give you two options, 720p and 360p. You can download the one you want. And that is how you can download videos from Facebook.